Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, guests, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most glorious day in the history of state Kannada Rajotsava, also known as Kannada Rajotsava, Karnataka Rajotsava. Though it is officially celebrated on November 1st, this day marks the formation of our beloved state, Karnataka, in the year 1956, when all the Kannada speaking religions were invited to form one state under the name of Mysore state. Later in 1973, it was renamed as Karnataka, a name that truly reflects the spirit, pride, and identity of our land. The red and yellow flag of Karnataka is not just a piece of cloth. The red color represents courage and sacrifice, while the yellow symbolizes wisdom and peace. Together, they represent that heart and soul of every Kannadiga. Karnataka is a land blessed with rich culture, heritage, literature, and art. Our state has given birth to many great personalities, poets like Kuvempu, Dr. Dara Bendre, and freedom fighters like Kittur Rani Channamma, Sangolli Rayana, and Vanke Ubava, and scientists, thinkers, and leaders who have bright pride to our nation. Each region of Karnataka has its own charm. The bravery of North Karnataka, the culture of South Karnataka, the beauty of Malnadu, and climes of the coastal region, together they make our Karnataka a shining jewel in India's crown. But friends, celebrating Rajotsava is not just about hosting flags, singing songs, or wearing traditional clothes. It is about showing true love and respect towards our language and our people. We just speak Kannada with pride, protect our tradition, and contribute to the progress of our state. As our great ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು ವೆರ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ preserve our culture and work together for a strong, united and progressive Karnataka. Let us raise our voice and say proudly Jai Kannada, Karnataka Mata, Jai Kannada, Jai Hind.